In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change the language of animes or videos you are watching on Crunchyroll. It's very simple and easy. So let me show you guys a trick. Before I show you guys how to do that, let me show you guys a trick on how to find a video or an anime that you can switch languages. So when you see dub here on the cover of every anime, it means you can change language. So now let's try to tap on this. You can see we have a dub here. Let's tap on that and try to watch. Yes, let's start watching. If it's not only for premium. So to change the language, what you need to do is you tap on the video you're watching on here, tap on the setting button there, and you see the audio there, you see English, just tap on that there and you can switch it to any of these languages, Japanese, Dutch, Espanol, España, blah blah blah. You can choose any of them to French, Italiano, and the rest here. You see dub there means you can be changing the languages to a lot of languages. Sometimes the languages will be premium, but then you can go for free ones and then you can watch them and switch the languages. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.